Steph's Chìbàkwewigamig. Hello everyone, and welcome to Steph's Chìbàkwewigamig, Steph's Kitchen. Today we will learn to cook Kitigàn, Bannock. Here's a list of items that you will need. 4 cups Kitigàn flour, 2 tablespoons Kitigàn baking powder, 1 tablespoon Kitigàn, and 2 cups of Zìbi, water. Place all dry ingredients in a big bowl. Lightly stir, then make a well in the middle. Pour 2/3 of water into the well and stir without overworking the dough. Important, don't overmix. Add flour and water a little at a time until the dough is neither too dry or too sticky. For 1 big loaf, bake in the oven at 400 degrees for about 60 minutes until golden brown. Remove from the oven and coat the loaf with butter. Ready to eat. Now you're ready to enjoy your Kitigàn, Bannock, with fresh berry jam or butter. Miigwech for watching!